Hey guys, welcome to this session. Our topic is the evolution. This is our new topic. So let's start with the concept of evolution. So what do you mean when we say evolution? So evolution, this is the gradual development of organisms from simple form to more complex form over a long duration of time. So it's just the gradual development of all these organisms from their original form or just a simple form to more complex form over a long duration of time. So you can see from there that evolution takes a long time. Evolution is marked by the emergence of new species from pre-existing species and the disappearance of some species. Now, the species that disappear are called the extinct species, so are said to become extinct over some time. Now, let's see the key terms used in this organic evolution. Uh, First one is carbon dating. We see that carbon dating, this is the method of estimating the ages of dead materials of biological origin. So just a kind of a scientific method of estimation of ages of these dead materials of the biological organisms. Now, the second one is the natural selection. This is the selective force occurring in the nature, which is responsible for the eliminating the unfavorable traits to retain only favorable traits in the population. So natural selection is just simply a natural selective force that is occurring naturally, which is just there to eliminate some kind of traits or characteristics and retain only favorable traits of some organisms in the population. Species, these are organisms which have the ability to interbreed freely to produce fertile offspring. And the fossils, these are the remains of organisms that lived in the past, preserved naturally in rocks and the ice, etc., etc. Now, let's see the importance of studying evolution. The following is few of the importance of studying evolution. The first one that it is essential in finding and using natural resources such as fossil fuels. We've said that the fossil fuels, these are fuels that are obtained from the decomposition of these remains of uh, organisms for a long time. The second one is that it helps us to solve biological problems that it can impact our lives. For example, maybe in medicine, whereby researchers must understand the evolutionary patterns of diseases causing organisms and they also control hereditary diseases in people. Also, these researchers study the evolutionary histories of the disease-causing genes. The other importance is that it helps to know how different organisms relate to each other in such a way that it helps in classification of all these organisms. So those are just few of the importances of studying evolution. So I hope it's clear, guys. Thank you for listening. We've talked about the concept of evolution. We've seen some of the few of the terms used in evolution and the importance of evolution. Thank you.